Yes, I want to teach this Kpanlogo reading, not too fast, like I'm going fast for you to miss the road. So I'm gonna take it slowly, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna take it slowly. It's slap, mute, slap, mute, and bass. Slap, mute, slap, mute, and bass. So this is how the rhythm goes, okay? Um, Slowly we go slap, mute, mute, okay? Slap, mute, mute. Slap, mute, mute. Okay, we continue. Slap, mute. Remember, it doesn't go like this. No. There is some, feeling that gives you the African feeling, because you have to pause somewhere to relax. You get me? Yeah. Some of you just go like that. No, 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 no. We don't go like that. So let's go. This side go. Right? So we continue. Let's go forward. So we go kutukata. So it's go bass and slap, mute, okay? This goes to Africans too. You, the Ghanaians you, the Ghanaians that you want to play and you said you want to learn. Take your Kpanlogo drum in Ghana and learn it. Okay, yeah. Although there are a lot of drummers over there that you can, learn from each other. So we go. Let's put into a rhythm contest, like a rhythm, like the way Ghanaians or Africans will enjoy takoduku. Yeah, this goes to other Africans too who are not, Kpanlogo player. But don't get me wrong. You can play this rhythm on Conga, Djembe, bongo, sabal. If you will use your hand on sabal without using the stick, you can enjoy the rhythm on any palm drum. Yeah, you can even transfer this rhythm to a drum set the way you can use your stick to play. That's how I teach my student. Transfer it to create some. So let's go. Let me try the bell with it, let me try the bell and see. I don't know if I can go smoothly, but forgive me if I go wrong. But let me try the bell, because I want you to understand how it combines with the bell. use this timing to play by using I don't know how it's going. But we, the Ghanaians, we don't really prefer this bell or this timing by playing this rhythm. We love to play the right? So this is it. Enjoy the rhythm and share, comment, and subscribe to the channel and help the channel to grow.